Okay, Faraday cage, basic design. Since nobody on YouTube will be nice enough to show what they did, I took four 7 feet long pieces of that dark wood, you could see. I took another 2 pieces of 7 feet wood, cut it in half to make 3.5 feet. And you see, first I used these brackets to hold them in place, and then down here with these brackets to make it even more sturdy. Now I have 2 frames. You see I have this air mattress, so now you also see the copper mesh and the nickel copper military grade fabric that I ordered online. So I have 2 walls, you could say. Picture this as the dummy's guide to building a Faraday cage. So obviously we want it to be grounded, right? Well, we got a grounding cable right here. I got some polyethylene drop cloth. I should have got the heavy duty, but that will be a barrier so that the shielding fabric and the copper, because I want to do a mixture, if I can, have the shielding fabric, a layer of pure copper mesh, and then another layer of the shielding fabric, so I can go above and beyond with the attenuation. So just for lumber and screws, staples, stuff like that, came to $100. Alright? And then you want to factor in the copper mesh and the nickel copper fabric. You're talking another $400. So this is a $500 do-it-yourself gig, which takes time, money, and you gotta know some basic carpentry and Faraday physics techniques. This is video 1.